In today's fast-paced and highly regulated business environment, the ability to effectively manage governance, risk, and compliance, GRC, is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. But where do you begin? This comprehensive GRC certification course is your gateway to becoming a true GRC champion. Imagine the confidence you'll exude when you can seamlessly integrate governance, risk management, and compliance efforts, creating a cohesive and robust framework for organizational success. Envision the peace of mind that comes with knowing your organization is safeguarded from the devastating consequences of non-compliance, unmitigated risks, and poor governance practices. Through interactive case studies, hands-on exercises, and real-world examples from various industries, you'll delve into the latest GRC strategies, techniques, and best practices. From establishing effective governance structures and developing risk-based compliance programs to implementing enterprise risk management frameworks and leveraging technology for GRC integration, you'll emerge as a GRC powerhouse, equipped to navigate even the most complex GRC challenges. But why stop there? This course will also empower you to effectively communicate GRC insights to stakeholders, ensuring alignment and buy-in across your organization. You'll learn how to leverage data-driven decision-making, implement robust monitoring and reporting mechanisms, and cultivate a culture of accountability and ethical conduct. Are you ready to take your organization's GRC efforts to new heights and unlock a world of competitive advantage? Don't leave your success to chance. Seize the opportunity to attend this course and become a certified GRC professional. Protect your bottom line, safeguard your reputation, and sleep soundly, knowing your GRC house is in order.